tuelewani, ingawaja tuelewani na wewe. Si unajua?
Unajua sisi ndio original.
Kwanza inaenda mpaka inaanguka kwanza huko Western inarudi. Kikuyuni bwana.
Inatuangalia.
Inaenda everywhere in the world.
Bas.
Asante sana. I'm so happy to be in Tukusa. I thank God.
Umeshinda poa?
Nimeshinda sawa.
Mungu amekuweka umeng'ara.
Unaonaje?
Hizo nini bado ziko bling nini? Shukrani kwa Bwana, amekutunza vizuri.
God is faithful.
Introduce yourself officially. Huyu ni nani?
Okay. My name's Lilian Rotich. Lilian is my name. There is a middle name, Chepkorir. That is my, they call it a surname.
Yeah, right.
And then there is a Rotich. Rotich is my husband's name. I come from, I have like almost 5 homes.
Okay.
I will start my birth where I was born, which is Kericho County, a place called Ketarwet, Bureti. They say Bureti Netebes. You know that Netebes is what? Is a place which is really a wide range, a big place.
Right.
So that is where I was born, a place called Ketarwet, many years ago. Well, that's where I went to school. That is where everything. I didn't work there, but that is where I went to school, a primary school and a secondary school, and then I was married a bit far. Bomet County.
Okay.
But you can walk. If there was that, if it would have been that time whereby you do for a wife this, and then I would have come to
home.
Yeah. So married to Bomet County. That's where I'm married.
Okay.
And then we live in Nairobi. That is our home also.
Right.
And then we bought Nakuru County, a place called Olenguruane, Mau. We are near Mau. That is where fresh water come from.
Okay.
Actually, if you want to know where good water come from, is Mau. Yeah. If you need good water, Mau. Talk to me. Yes, thank you.
Great. And you have a family, okay?
Yes, I do.
Watoto ngapi sasa, Lilian?
Watatu. Yeah, we have all the children we wanted.
Firstborn?
We had, at the time we got married some years back.
Right.
We asked God if you could place us with 3 kids. We didn't need a lot. And for a reason, is like we wanted the children whereby we will be able to manage them
and provide for them.
Give them
quality.
Yeah, we wanted children because when we go back to our families, we are many. Like our home, we are 8, 4 girls and 4 men.
Mama moja.
Wow. And my husband's home, they are 15. Mama moja. And we say no, we don't think we need all of them. Let me tell you, this blue band generation, they can't. We can't. You go to 6 children and you look like an 9-year-old lady.
But I really look at that woman who had 15 children.
Yeah, one mother, not 2, 1.
Yeah. But also because they were doing a lot of
work. They used to exercise. Like you can go to the river, bring some water. You can like go kukamua ng'ombe,
to the portion mill.
Yes, the portion. They walk distant places. Look at us. Coming to Tukusa, you come with a car. Going to the reserve, you go with a car. You do everything, like you can even go and blow with the car. Now you die quickly.
Nyumba, gari, kazi.
And then you have another 10 children. You know, you cannot survive that.
You cannot.
Okay, me, I can't survive that. That's why the time we decided, like, we want children, we ask ourselves with my husband, how many children can we have?
Yes.
And my husband says 3. And I say, take. He wanted 4. I remember he wanted 4.
But
I was saying, no, 4 are many. Let's have 3. And the Lord gave us 3. If there is a 4th one coming, we'll not say no, but we have the 3 we wanted.
Okay.
My firstborn is almost 14 years.
Oh, great.
He went to Form 1 recently, a school called Tenwekai.
Right.
It's a national school, and I thank God. We thank God for that.
Well.
And maybe a short, you know, when somebody sees you, he thinks that you just came from the moon or the stars, and
things work.
You just like pop, you are a celeb, you are being celebrated. No. It takes the hand of God.
Right.
It takes the hand of God. And between my firstborn and my secondborn, there was a time I had some miscarriages like 2.
Wow.
Like simultaneously, back to back. And I was like, God, this is not the life we wanted. This is not what we requested. God, help us.
Right.
And really, the Lord bless us with a baby girl. I'd gone to perform there in US.
Okay.
Some functions, church functions. I had gone to minister.
Right.
So I couldn't come back. I went and then come back and went again.
Right.
That was the time when I wanted to come. I was 8 months pregnant. I didn't know that you're not supposed to fly
to travel,
when you are really almost.
True.
When you are almost due. So when I came back to airport, they told me that no, you cannot travel. We will go back.
Well, so
fortunately enough, they sponsored everything for me. I had to give birth to that girl, and I came.
So she's American, actually.
She's an American child, but
Where?
She's a Kenyan. We don't call her American.
Lilian, your music journey.
Yeah.
When did you start singing, and when did you start recording?
Thank you so much. If you allow me to go back a little bit.
Okay.
I got saved when I was 13 years old.
Okay.
And life wasn't that easy. It was really very difficult. Why do I say that? It's because I was being brought up by a single parent. Like many artists I've heard saying about it, my story is really for another day, because if I start today, we'll just have to cancel many things for the story of Lilian to be aired.
Kwa hivyo tukulete testimony.
But niguzie tu kidogo, kidogo tu utanileta testimony.
Sawa.
But niguzie tu pahali nilianza.
Go ahead.
I got saved when I was 13 years, and I used to like singing. I could even imitate all good artists, you name them. Mary Atieno, Wamboi, for that time when I was young, those days. And my grandmother used to tell me, you sing well. You sing well like your great grandmother. And when I got saved, I did, you know, if you've not been taught about the talents, kama hujafundishwa kuhusu matalenta, huwezi jua uko na talent. So every other time tukiwa kwa, I remember another time our former president came, Moi, to our play, so I could be chosen to lead the songs. When we were doing choral music in school, I could, but I didn't know, you know, I couldn't be bothered. Like right now we are seeing many children young, they've been helped by their parents. Wamesaidiwa na wazazi. Lakini mimi sikuwa na hiyo uwezo, because I used to take music like just part of, yes. I went to Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4. I remember in some, kwa hiyo katikati nikiwa Form 2, Form 3, I was a CU chair lady. In a school, and I could lead music. We could do very nice music in school, because I liked music. When I finished the school, went to work with one of the companies there in Kericho. You know Kericho tuko na majani. Kapsa, I've heard you talking about the tea. That is where tea comes from.
It's beautiful. Oh, Kericho is
so, nikajishindia kazi ya uko. Kazi mzuri tu. And that time, you know, when you finish school, you want to continue with the school. But harakati ya kukua msichana nini kidogo tukapatana na Rotich, working in the same company but Nairobi.
Okay.
Yes, working in the same company but Nairobi. There is the industries and the factories. So he was in the industries and I was in the factories. That is in Kericho. And we met. He came looking for me because he knew me. Because this is a Valentine Day. I think I'm okay. Yeah. So when he came to look for me, I had refused the proposal from many men. Because when you are beautiful, when you are outgoing and jamming, you know, people come. And already when you have the glory of God in you.
What?
Yes. When you have that, everybody wants that lady. Everybody is like, I'm after this lady. So when he came, I couldn't say no. Because I saw him from head to toe and I say, this man, I like him. I like him. And yet I've said no to other youth, my youth, my age mates. You know, I say no to them. But this one I say, okay, I say yes immediately. And we were like having courtship. I want to tell you guys, if you have a boyfriend, it's good to know him before you like say I do. It is good to know him. If you have a girlfriend, do not take her because she is beautiful and you want to say I do like the following week. No, you know, this is a journey.
Right.
This is a journey. You started it, and in the middle of your way, you will realize that this person wasn't the one you married.
Yeah. It's not a good place to be in.
Yeah, so I got married, and then I had to resign because he was in Nairobi and I was in Kericho, different places.
So you had to come to
I had to resign and come to Nairobi. By then, I didn't know that I could sing. I knew if I could hold a mic like this, everybody's like, wow. But I didn't know that. I didn't even like singing. But he me realized, I always say everywhere, I've been saying it, it is because of my husband. That is why I'm singing. Because he realizes every other time I'm in the kitchen, just doing some harmony, he's like, wow,
you can sing
well. Why don't you go to the studio? Every other time,
so Mr. Rotich pushed you into music.
He did, until he went to Likosanaga. Especially because after getting married, after 1 year, of course, a child, you know, those are the things I've never had in life. Like having a baby, at the same time, your husband is here, and then you have to walk the errands in the house, because I wasn't working. That was the time I realized that, no, hii mambo imekuwa mingi. So any other time, akiniambia, you have to sing. I'm like, no, I'm not. He is a preacher. Sometimes our pastor could give him chance to preach.
So,
and tumeelewana nyumbani, ngame ukinita angotigura. Yani ukinita utaona.
Lakini anakuita.
Every other time I would even like, no, let me go out to stay with the child, because sometimes unajua maneno ya watoto wanalia. But he could say, no, I'm not going to say anything. I want to give a chance to my wife, and especially I want her to sing a Mary Atieno song.
How do you do that? Muimba kidogo. I want to invite my wife to sing Inet K. Yes. So
let me not even do Inet K. There is this song, say I'm only woman. I'm just but a woman. I remember that another time I did it, and my pastor was like,
there's something.
Is that song not yours? I would say, no, my pastor, no. And then he was like, you will go places. Can you do something? Even if you cannot record, can you do something?
So at what point did you hit the studio?
Let me do the song first.
Okay.
I'm only human. I'm just but a woman. Help me believe in all I can be. I know that I am. Show me the stairway I have to climb, but for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. You know, that is a prayer for every woman. That is a prayer for every woman.
Thank you.
That is a prayer for every woman. To be taught every step. So I decided, I didn't know, okay, sometimes I could want to go to studio, but I didn't know exactly what to do. One time, one of the ladies in charge, she was recording, and she told me, can I have your voice, please? And I was saying, what can I lose? Let's go.
Let me give it.
My God, I didn't know it is easy to do recording. I thought it is something you have to go learn day and night, you know. But I went to studio, and it was like, wow, boom. I told my husband I want to record one song. And he said, whoa, gladly I will sponsor you.
Wow.
I will sponsor you. Though I was working, I came and do some business, very serious businesses. But he told me that I'll sponsor the whole album. I did a song in a sema. Achicha maimu gakseiwe egewo Jehova agewo tengano moni achowe maimu gaksei nenda anegogo inyewe aleweni awo chesone sabetinye sobonda koige. I know you've heard everything, but there is somebody who does this. It says that it is impossible to serve two masters. Haiwezekani utumie
masters wawili.
Your masters wawili. Because utaweza mpendeza moja uachane na yule mwingine.
Kweli.
Lakini ningekuwa wewe ningechagua Mungu kwa sababu yeye ataweza si moja Mungu. Kwa sababu yeye ataweza kukusaidia, ataweza yes, Mungu na shetani hawezi wakaenda pamoja. Yes, Mungu every other time he wins. That is the first song I did, and it was a hit.
Right.
It was Kalenjin. It was
in Rift Valley.
Hit. It was a hit. Ilikubalika, and I thank God because of the message. You know, it is good to hit red on. You hit on head.
Right.
Because it has a message.
Do you know you are a TV presenter? You can go on and on, eh?
Yeah.
So for now, how many albums do you have?
I have album from 2006 up to now. I have 5 albums.
5 albums.
I have a Chicha. Wow. I have Kenyith Nelel. I have Kibenti Tai. I have Inet K, and I have a new one which I've not launched. I've not even launched yet. Okay. Otonose. Yes, I have 5. 5 albums. And each have the first 2 has 10 songs. The second 3 has 8, 7. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Why Kalenjin music for you?
Let me tell you, it is something which I feel inside.
In a talker.
Yes.
It speaks to you.
Yes, that is why I'm a psalmist. I just feel inside. Right. It speaks to me. It's not like when I sing Swahili. Right. Yeah, it is not like deep. But if it is my Kalenjin, I feel it is so good. If a South African, the Zulu guys can sing, and we have them right in the door. Right. If the Nigerians music, they are coming to Kenya. Yes. Why don't I do the Kalenjin and go to that far?
US Wapi.
Yes. And you know the Kalenjin is almost Zulu. Every other time we have a problem in studio, when you're doing a program, it goes to Zulu all the time. Always. You could hear about almost all the artists. It's not because you want to do it.
No, because you do a lot of kwaito, the beat. Eh?
Not even us too. Almost all of us. It is like our tunes
your default.
Over time. Yes, our default is a Zulu style. And we thank God.
Thank you. You, as we wind up, lazima tumalize saa hii.
Oh no. Okay.
You have done TV. You have been a TV presenter. You've done a family show. You've done a musical show.
Yes.
You're no longer doing that right now. How is that for you? What was the exposure?
Okay. Oh, it was a great time for me.
Okay.
Since 2011, when my young boy, or my last born, was 2 years. Since 2011, after 2014. I've been a TV presenter, and I've done 2 shows: a family show in Kalenjin, and a musical one like this one in Kalenjin. And that was the best moment in my life because I could interact like live with people.
Right.
But you see, it made me stay. I couldn't sing anymore. Any other time I want to go to Rift, any other time I have a show, there in Rift, studio. I have to work.
Right.
It is work. It is work and work. So I saw it was like conflict of interest at the same time.
Okay.
So I decided like, no. Let me just rest a bit. If I have to come back, I just have to like have a show which goes on maybe Sunday only. Because this one I could do it from Monday to Friday. And this time I have a show with maybe another TV station, and it is wrong. Right. You know, I have a show in Rift Valley with a radio station, and this one cannot allow me. The one I'm doing cannot allow me. We call it a quit because I couldn't do it. But believe me, I've been a good TV presenter.
Yeah. No, I've seen you. I mean, you have done well, eh? And the people in the Rift Valley love you to bits. My goodness.
They didn't believe that I could live, but I had to.
Right.
Yes.
As we wind up, there are many upcoming musicians today, very young, and some of them are challenged in terms of mentorship, some of them in terms of music, and you see music nowadays has also become very commercial.
Yes.
So it's a thin line between commercial and gospel. You have been there, and you know how it goes. I want you to speak to those who are upcoming, those who want to do music, have never tried it before, and those who are like you but are also confused in a way.
Thank you so much. Very brief. Music, if you will take music to be commercial, you'll be very discouraged.
That's
because
gospel music.
That is now gospel music. Because everybody, their songs have hit. They are hitting the market, and maybe yours is just a song which you're studying. So if you start like you want to do music for commercial, I think I will ask them not to do it.
Right.
Yeah. If you are doing gospel, because if you are doing secular, I don't know. Yes. A call. If you have a call, the Bible says, "Seek ye the kingdom of God first, and and his righteousness. All these other things shall be added unto you.
Right.
So you seek the kingdom first. If vitu vingine mali yote iko ndani ya music. But if you are coming like I want to do now, nampatia DJ Sadik my song yenye inakaa kidogo secular, inakaa kidogo gospel, na right ataicheza. Yes, it can be played.
Yes.
But you might be discouraged because it will not go anywhere.
Right.
So my encouragement to the upcoming artist, if you can you do it for
purely for
Injili.
The rest will be added.
The rest will be added. And then I want to just ask them, if you can kindly, can we not go secular? Let's not go secular. Let secular come to gospel.
Right.
Because nowadays there is a thin line. And I'm saying because I'm old. I know. Nimekoma.
Right.
So if you take Lilian today and sacrifice, I don't mind. But if you get the word, it is good. Sincerely speaking, brethren, can we do it gospel?
Thank you.
Let's not do it secular. Secular, they are doing their own things and they are there and they are doing it and they enjoy doing it. But now how could you really come like you want to cross the other side and you want to bring it for DJ Sadiq to work on it? Yeah. So that's my
parting shot.
My parting shot and maybe my song a little bit.
Yes.
If you don't mind.
No. We are going to dance to your song. Sai tu.
Oh my. Thank you. Oh my. Thanks.
Hiyo ni kamera yako.
Yeah,
nataka uambie watu wana Rift Valley kwamba unawapenda na asanteni kwa kusikiza Tukuza na waendelee kusikiza Tukuza every day. Kwa lugha ya mama.
Kongo imisik big of Rift Valley oamune amangwale uchomeke ago mitiko mie. Kongo yamu uchomete nwake kablele. Mungu awabariki sana. By the way, Mungu awabariki. Thank you for putting me kwa map. Najua because of that. Kongoi amuna kweket mko berur ak Jehova ko berur iyate tap tu kwa ko berur iyate tap mbarene kwa ako gonda klago kisere mesire ongide cheisota amu yeginde cheisota ko betu tuktu togol ko gararan achama ga saywa kongoi missing eogere oteseta yogere KTN anan Tukuza kusuwa aywa Jehova ne mebi Rift Valley achama ge kongoi.
Listen. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Wimbo hapa. Sije tukule ngoma kidogo.
Rinje Sandriki. Chuna.